Have you ever been told you have a fatty liver? Or perhaps you're worried you might be at risk? The good news is, for many, this condition is not just manageable, it's reversible. Let's explore the signs, symptoms, and most importantly, the powerful lifestyle changes you can make to heal your liver. First, let's quickly recap the signs. Fatty liver disease is often silent, but you might experience persistent fatigue, a dull ache in your upper right belly, or find out through a routine blood test showing elevated liver enzymes. These are your body's early warnings. Now for the most critical part, treatment. While there's no magic pill, the most effective medicine is your lifestyle. The single most important goal is gradual weight loss. Losing just 5 to 10% of your body weight can dramatically reduce fat and inflammation in your liver. Let's start with your plate. Think of it as a prescription for health. Adopt a Mediterranean-style diet, rich in healthy fats, antioxidants, and complex carbs. Load up on leafy greens, colorful vegetables, and fruits like berries. Choose lean proteins like fish and chicken, and healthy fats from olive oil, avocados, and nuts. What should you avoid? Cut back sharply on sugary drinks, processed foods, refined carbohydrates like white bread, and saturated fats found in red meat and fried foods. And if you drink, reducing alcohol is crucial. Next, it's time to get moving. Exercise is a powerful tool to fight liver fat. Aim for a combination of aerobic and resistance training. That means at least 30 to 60 minutes of activities like brisk walking, swimming, or cycling, 5 days a week. On 3 of those days, add in resistance training like weightlifting or even simple bodyweight exercises. This combination not only burns fat, but also reduces liver inflammation. Managing other health conditions like diabetes and high cholesterol is also key. So work closely with your healthcare provider. Reversing fatty liver disease is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making sustainable changes that lead to a healthier you. Your liver has an amazing ability to heal itself. You just have to give it the right tools. If you suspect you have fatty liver or have been diagnosed, please consult a healthcare professional to create a personalized plan. This information is for educational purposes and is not a substitute for professional medical advice.